back to school, but I'd like to say that I'm very excited, and that's actually true, but I'm still a little bit scared about new environment, new people, classmates, friends. I have all my luggages packed. I'm supposed to bring some mooncakes because mooncakes festival, but anyhow, I don't have any space for that. We're eating it right now. Now going to go to the harbor. Arrived at the hotel. It has been a very curvy day for me. Note that I still have a meeting at 8 a.m. and a due at 12 p.m. this night, and I still have a lot to do. I finally take off my mask today because it has been so painful for my ears. Because I was boarding a plane, so I have to wear an N95, which is the medical level of the mask, but it brings a lot of pain. You can see my ears really hurt now. Oh, they put on this for me. Okay, so I go around today wearing this like an idiot because when I looked down, it was like, hi bro. Lots of water, some cups, a pot, desk. Oh, they got lamp here. I brought a lamp all the way along. Why should I? This is my bed and the wonderful sea view. Cool. Some quarantine stuff. I've just took out other things in my luggages. They're pretty much empty right now. There's other stuff piled on the desk and my bed. Ooh, bags, clothes, and a pile that's inside. They're all stuck in a bear bag. badly. The workload is so heavy. As most of you have known, I am moving to Hong Kong for university, and now here I am in the conference lodge of HKUST. And this is my last day of quarantine. Yay! So to tell you more about it, we have our food at the restaurant canteens in HKUST, and they will deliver every day. We can choose online based on the menu. We can also call the hotel room service as well. The food is quite nice, I guess, because every time it rings the bell, I just naturally get so excited. We have a fixed time for delivery. For example, I have my breakfast delivered at 9 a.m., my lunch delivered at 1 p.m., and my dinner at 6 p.m. And we can also order supermarket for Fusion, and it delivered at Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So I think I got everything I need. I order a lot of chips, as you can see in the background. There's a lot of bottles of chips, snacks, and cookies, chocolates. So I think the food is really nice. And about the facilities, I think I might get really bored during quarantine, but actually I didn't, because last week was so in a rush. It was such a rush. And I have homework, the workload so heavy, and I just don't have any time to think about playing outside, nor to see this beautiful view. Tomorrow my friends will help me to move all my luggage to the hall, which is a very long distance. My mom had this package for me, which contains like my tennis stuff and blanket and shoes and other clothes that I wasn't able to put in my luggage. Other clothes that I wasn't able to put in my luggage. Well, here my friend had just borrowed me some of her luggages, so now I have 4 luggages to store all my stuff. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Oh, and without further ado, I'm going to start packing.
A few moments later.
It's 9:30 now, and I have my things almost packed for the 10:30 checkout time. And I'm at mass now as well. I've met a lot of people today, and it's really a busy day. We had a lot of fun.